Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from Z-League. So I am on the official Z-League FAQs page and here you can see that how do I cash out my balance. So initiating a cash out. So first you need to from the profile menu click on account settings and at the top of the page under your account balance tap the cash out button and then you need to identify your verification. Any cash out will require to verify the name associated with your account with a valid government issued ID through Persona, our third party ID verification partner. And then you need to have fees. So there are two fees associated with cash out, a processing fee and a PayPal fee. The PayPal is instituted by PayPal and varies based on the cash out amount and your location. So the processing fee is $2 here you can see. So this is a process that you need to follow to withdraw money from Z-League. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.